Energy drinks.
Energy drinks at Paradise Games.
Yeah, novelties.
Ghostbusters.
Are you ready to get slimed?
Do it.
Oh, color is pretty awesome.
Give
Let's
it a go. Say berry. Some sort of blueberry. Blueberry.
Yeah, it tastes a little. Yeah, it tastes a little bit like berry. It also tastes like a fizzy berry.
What's next?
We are going to do the Sonic the Hedgehog Speed Energy Drink. I don't know how I feel about saying speed on it. Smells like blueberry.
Smells like food color.
I think it tastes like blue raspberry or something like that.
This one does taste a little bit like blue raspberry. Pretty good. I mean, I look like I'm disgusted by it, but I mean, I'll drink it again. Dragon Punch! If this doesn't taste like fruit punch, I'm just gonna be like, what?
If this doesn't punch me, I don't know what is gonna go on.
I did not expect it to be the bluish green color.
You know what it
again.
looks like? It looks like Ghostbusters.
I think that's the same, Drew.
Yeah.
It doesn't taste like Ghostbusters.
It's good though.
It is good too.
We're
That
gonna be
was good
flying
too.
off the walls. So.
Woo!
I come. Go get it. Go pick it up. Come to our shop and get it. It's good.
Yep.
Resident Evil T-Virus Antidote Energy Drink. I want you to know what's inside.
They're like, looks like all the other ones.
Oh yeah.
It feels like it's chalky. Like there's a something. There's something there. I like sweet tarts. So yeah.
Me too.
It ain't bad. That's just not what I expected to come out of liquid. The old
Mega Man.
E-Tank.
E-Tank.
Add in the bloopers.
I wonder what's it. Oh,
Oh,
we got
different
a different
color.
color now.
Yeah.
Should be like the same thing.
Kind of smells like strawberry.
Yeah, it does smell like strawberry. Oh yeah, it's like a cherry slash.
It is like a cherry.
Smells can be deceiving.
That's pretty good. I think I picked this one over all of them.
Yeah, I'll be honest with you.
For them special audiences only.
Yeah. Fizzy cherry splash flavor drink.
Yep.
Ain't that a?
That's a mouthful right
Yeah.
there.
And what do you know?
Oh, look at that. This one is, well,
Yeah,
it is cherry flavored.
You know what that reminds me of? Like
Kool-Aid?
Whenever you was a kid and your mom tried to give you cough syrup medicine. I
Wow.
think it smelled like a cherry cough syrup. Smell it.
Oh, I don't know about that one.
I don't like that one.
It wasn't the best one. So this one's a throwback
To the 90s.
Surge. Ain't that cool?
The best.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you know when it's green, it's gonna be good.
No, it's supposed to be citrus flavored.
Yeah.
So that means it's more like a mellow yellow.
Yes. I've always thought it tasted like a more beefed up version of Mountain Dew. Like it has a little bit more of a bite to it. Yeah, I like it. What was your favorite energy drink?
Probably
I take that back. Your top three.
top three. Mega Man was first. I liked Mega Man a lot.
I agree with you. That would probably be my first choice. What's your next one?
Surge.
Oh yeah,
was my
Surge.
second.
And your third.
Maybe Street Fighter.
Drink. Every single one of them.
Suicide.
This is called the Paradise Suicide. Sound like I was in Jackass. 1, 2, 3. I mean, this tastes like freedom. I mean, it really is. That's actually pretty decent mixing all them
It ain't
together.
bad.
Yeah.